I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play I'd Love to Change the World by 10 Years After. This is a great song with first position chords, and you have to play them really clearly and really with rounded fingers or it won't sound right. So if this lesson helps you out, like and subscribe to our channel. It's entirely free and it helps us out a lot. So let's get started with the lesson. So this song is based around this E chord, a G chord, an A minor, a C, and a B. To begin with, you play this E chord, this E minor. You're going to have your middle finger on the second fret of the A, your ring finger on the second fret of the D string. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to go down 4 strings on that E chord. Open E, 1, first fret on the E string, second fret on the E string, third fret on the E string, and then you're going to make that into a G chord. So you're going to have your ring finger on the third fret of the E, your middle finger on the second fret of the A, and then your pinky's going to be here on the E string on the third fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Then you're going to go into this A minor chord where you're going to have second finger on the second fret of the D, third finger on the second fret of the G, first finger on the first fret of the B string. You're just going to go down these 4 strings. So from that A minor, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. You're going to go open A, first fret A, second fret A, third fret on the A, and then you're going to make this C chord. C chord is going to be third fret of the A with your third finger, second fret of the D with your middle finger, and then your first finger is going to be on the B string here on the first fret. So it goes. To this B7. And that's going to be second fret of the A string, first fret of the D string, and the second fret of the G string with your ring finger. So here it is from beginning to end. So you're just going to play those middle 4 strings. And then when he starts singing, it's basically those chords. it's got a lot of sound. I think they played it on a 12-string guitar. So it starts out with that E, and it just goes. The way I play it is I go to the G. When I play that G chord, I make a bar chord out of it. Make it a G major. A bar the 3rd fret. I put my ring finger on the 5th fret of the A, my little finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and then I put my middle finger on the G string down here on the 4th fret. Go back and play that A minor like I did in the beginning. For that C chord, I'm barring on the 3rd fret, and then I'm taking my 3rd finger and I'm laying it across the D, G, and the B strings. Then I go back to the same B chord that I was making when I was doing the down picking part of it. So over the guitar throughout the song, and there's some neat little licks, and he was pretty famous for that. They were in the first position down here on the 12th fret in the E minor pentatonic scale. So I'll show you that scale, and I'm not going to show you the licks. I think that if you mess around with these notes, you can come up with a lot of what he was doing. So it's 15-12 on the high E, 15-12 on the B, 14-12 on the G, 14-12 on the D, 14-12 on the A, and then 15-12 on the E. And also on the high E, you want to do, there's a 17-15, 17-15 on the B too. So if you memorize those notes, you can play most of those licks. I'm not going to say you're going to play all of them. He did some that are very long and involved, but I don't think Alvin Lee, he was kind of an improviser. He kind of played things differently every time. But if you were to learn that song and memorize those notes, you'll be able to play along with come up with your own licks. So it's a pretty neat song. It's got some basic chords, but the way he plays them, it makes it actually kind of hard to play. You have to use really rounded fingertips and really count your picks and stuff. So I think it's a pretty fun song to play. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, like and subscribe to our channel. It's entirely free and it helps us out a lot. And have a great day. Thank you.